Hey Intan,
Hi, Anggi.
sorry, I'm eating.
Oh, it's okay. What are you eating, by the way?
I eat chicken noodles near here.
Mm,
Intan, by the way, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Thanks, if you're good, I'm also good. By the way, tomorrow is our first day of face-to-face lectures after our online class to this year.
So true. I can't wait to meet you and the other friends.
Me too. Are you ready for tomorrow? I've already.
I have prepared everything for tomorrow.
Wow, you're so prepared, Intan. Oh yeah, by the way, I just moved from the boarding house this morning. Haven't had time to prepare the equipment for the campus.
You must be tired. I have tomorrow, the first day of our campus. Will be excited.
We must be enthusiastic because this is the first day we meet in person.
Since you haven't bought campus equipment yet, I have a suggestion.
What advice is that?
Tomorrow, after it finishes, how about we go to Gramedia? I happen to want to buy a novel. How?
Actually, I want to go, but I still don't have my own vehicle.
Take it easy. I have a red motorbike, and I name it Ningsih.
Wow, what a cute name! Why did you name it like that?
Because it's strong, even Toxie has been damaged a lot.
So cute! Okay, I'll hitch a ride with you and Ningsih.
Take it easy, honey.
By the way, Intan, is there a supermarket nearby? I want to fill my stock of instant noodle and some snack.
Yes. Uh, is there anything else you need? I know the area. If you're looking for something, just ask me.
That's all. Thank you, Intan. You're very kind. I'm very happy to have a good friend like you.
Ahaha, no problem. See you tomorrow.
Okay, until again, tomorrow I will provide a bench next to me.
Thank you, my dear.
Okay, honey, no problem. Bye.
Bye.